Hello and thank you for watching. Today's recipe I'll be showing you my take of a halloumi and bacon wrap with prunes. A very simple and easy dish to make, which is a Middle Eastern dish I came across and tried out a couple of times already, and now it's become a top favorite. It's very simple to do using 3 ingredients. The texture is crispy, smoky bacon, cheesy halloumi, and sweetness in the prunes. Today I'll be making appetizer bites. For this recipe, we only need 3 ingredients, which are bacon rashers, a block of halloumi cheese, and pitted prunes. 250 grams of halloumi. Just gonna slice that in half. Trying to slice them into matchstick slices, them again into bite-sized pieces. Try to cut them evenly. Some cheese will break, but that's okay. Most of it will be intact. I've already sliced some bacon rashers. What I've done is taken a whole piece and sliced it in half. I'll now show you how I've done it. So this is 1 slice of bacon rash. Just put that on the top and just slice them in half. In half. Ready for wrapping, and I'll be using mini skewers to do that. To begin with, put a bacon rash on the plate with a halloumi stick and a slice of prune, and then just roll it up. Grab a skewer and just poke it through. You could easily put 2 wraps on 1 skewer. Do the second one. Line a baking tray with foil. Just place a skewer. I'll continue wrapping until I've used up all my ingredients. The oven has been preheating to 220 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes now, and it's time to put it in. You have to crank up the heat and put it in the top shelf of the oven to crisp up the bacon. It's been in the oven for 25 minutes. I'm just going to bring it out and okay, don't try it. No. My halloumi bacon wrapped with prunes. This is a gluten-free recipe. The bacon is crispy and smoky. The halloumi is gooey and chewy. And the prunes, the sweet, tangy taste. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit!